Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marsha if you're new. So guys, I know I have been MIA for the past like 2 weeks, but life has just been crazy. Like I'm sitting here right now and I'm just like there's a million things going through my mind right now. I'm worried about so many things that they're like so many things that I need to do that I haven't done, or so many things that I need to do within a certain time frame. I'm like, can I do this? You know, it's just like so much. But anyway, I'm doing this video to kind of fill you guys in on what has been going on. So basically what has been going on is that I have been home most of the time just working, so I haven't been going anywhere or doing much other than on the weekends. So for the past 2 weekends I've been in Mandeville. Not last weekend, the weekend before that I was there, and I went to Clarendon with my cousin-in-law who was doing a survey there, so I'm gonna insert that little footage here. Today I'm in bush. I'm in the country. Actually I'm just tagging along with some guys that are doing a survey. My boyfriend's cousin is doing a survey, and fun fact about me, I'm a land surveyor by profession. I did it for like about probably 5 years, and then I switched to GIS, which is kind of like a cousin to land surveying. So yeah, they're doing a survey and I thought I'd just come along. We're in this community called Rock River in Clarendon, and so right now we're trying to find some old pegs and stuff, so I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what is going on today, so stay tuned. So this is the property that we're surveying, guys. It's kind of steep, and this is one of the pegs that we found.
674.310. Make you not do full work, Marsha. You can't bother with it. Oh yeah, take it. GPS bearings. We can't do the full work.
So this him set this.
Yeah.
Oh, Ali just said that. Lee just said that a while ago. So right now, guys, they're getting the GPS coordinates for the stations, for the travel stations. I know you guys are not gonna understand what the heck is happening. Oh, and the land goes all the way down there. Down here. It's very steep.
A Porsche, you might drive it. SUV Porsche.
I said that man a Porsche. A Porsche.
Yeah.
Guys, my day is made. Look at all this mango. This is milli mango. A lot of people don't know what is milli mango. Best mango. Oh, some of them burst. This are the right lit now, man. Don't know wash though. So guys, I know I'm just chilling out and enjoying the country views and stuff. I'm waiting for them to finish their survey because I'm not participating today. Yeah, so go and enjoy the country and the mangoes. Oh my gosh, they're so sweet. And then the following weekend, I went back to Mandeville because it was my mother-in-law's birthday and they were having a little get-together. Nothing too big, but I didn't want to miss it. So I went there. So I was there for the weekend. And guys, there's one thing, I don't know about anybody else, but whenever I'm not in my environment, like I can't do the things that I normally do. So like editing and stuff, like I take my laptop and say, okay, I'm gonna edit because I have videos to edit. Like I have 2 videos pre-filmed for my main channel that I needed to get edited, and I was like, okay, I was gonna edit them last weekend. Didn't happen. So I have those, and then I'm doing this collab with Curls on Instagram. Guys, you should follow me on Instagram if you're not following me, okay? Because Instagram is popping, okay? Just follow me to see what I'm getting up to, guys. But yeah, I have a collab that I'm doing with Curls, and like it's really like a short notice. It's not a short notice in terms of me knowing about it. It's a short turnaround time. So like I don't have a lot of time to film and edit and put all the content together that they need. So it's like I have to do like 4 videos and some picture posts and stuff, and it's like a day between each video, and it's hairstyling videos, and so I have a day between each one to film and edit. So it's crazy. So that's the main thing that's like really bothering me right now. Right now I'm actually going on the road because I need to get some stuff for those videos. So I need to get oh guys, this is my workout mat right here. Kinda ignore it please. That's the only reason why I want to move, because things like this, like I have nowhere to put them, so they're just hanging out in a little corner in my apartment. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go on the road now because I need to get like 2 tops, because the tops that I have to wear for the video have to be a particular color. So I have to get the tops. I also have to get I'm out of makeup sponges, so I need that. So I need the tops, I need makeup sponges, I need perm rods, because one of the videos is a perm rod set. I do have some perm rods, but they're old and the elastic keeps breaking, so I need to get some new ones so that this thing can go off without a hitch, because guys, I don't have a lot of time to waste. And I'm also going to try to see if I can find some nice hair accessories to kind of jazz up some of the hairstyles that I'm doing and stuff like that. I just finished so today's Thursday, and work like my 9 to 5 has been crazy hectic. Like I haven't gotten a break. The only reason why work isn't killing me right now is because I stayed up last night and I did like everything that was on my agenda for today. I did it last night, so because I needed to free up today. I just finished recording a video for another collab with a brand, and also took some pictures. So yeah, I'm not even sure when that's gonna be posted. I need to send that content off to them. So I'm gonna have to edit that video tonight and send that off, so that they can approve and blah 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 and tell me when I should post. What else? Sorry guys. Yeah, so that took up most of my morning. I just ate lunch and I'm gonna go on the road now. So yeah, so I need to edit and stuff, and I need to check my agenda for work for tomorrow, and whatever needs to get, whatever is gonna be on my work agenda for tomorrow, I need to do it tonight so that tomorrow can be relatively free. Because the thing is, I did do some work today, but it was just something that popped up and it wasn't anything like huge. So I did that, but the things that I know for sure that I need to complete for tomorrow, I'm gonna do them tonight so that tomorrow is free. So anyway guys, I'm gonna go on the road now, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me to see what I'm getting up to. And yeah, so let's go. Hey guys, so I'm at my first stop right now. I'm at Discount Beauty. So I'm gonna go in now and try to get the perm rod fixed. What am I talking about? I'm gonna try to get the perm rods. Then I'm gonna go somewhere else. Then I'm gonna go to another place to see if I can get the tops, and then after that I'm gonna see if I can get some hair accessories. Oh, I'm gonna try to get a concealer in here and makeup sponges so that I don't have to go to like a million different places. So yeah, hopefully I just need to make like 3 stops. Well, the tops part is going to be a challenge. I have some blue tops, so they just don't match with the blue of the product. So that's why I'm even thinking about looking for a blue top, you know. But the green one, I definitely do not have a green top, because who wears green top? Oh, I have a green top, you know, but it's a very unique kind of like mossy green. It's not like just a regular little old green. You know what I'm saying? No, actually I have 2 tops like that. I have one that looks like almost like military green, and then I have this green top that's so beautiful. It's I don't even know how to describe it, but I think I need like more of a basic green. But anyway, if I go a couple places and I don't get it, I'll just use what I have, because I can't bother to run up and down, and Jamaican stores usually don't have nothing, and if they do have it, it's usually so overpriced, it's ridiculous. But anyway, let me put on my mask and stop wasting time.
What are you doing?
Okay guys, so I just got through at one place. I got some perm rods. They literally had like 3 packs of perm rods. Don't know what that's about, so I have to, hopefully when I go to the next store they'll have. Anyway, so I got a couple perm rods. I got a concealer that I wanted. What else did I get? Oh, makeup sponge. I got some plastic caps for steaming my hair. I got this brush, the detangling brush. Since I'm gonna be doing a perma set, I need something that's really gonna detangle my hairs. I mean, my hair is smooth. I don't know if this is the best. We'll see. And I got some permas. I got 2 packs of this size and 1 pack of this. These are the biggest. These ones are the biggest size that were there. These are a bit smaller. I think these are actually too small for my hair. But I was just like, let me take it because it's better to have some than not have anything at all. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna get more at the next place that I'm going to. And then I also got concealer. Yeah, and that's all I got there. If I had got all the permas that I needed, then I would be set, but they didn't have any more, so I'm gonna go to another. My next stop is going to be at Brick Brand, which is a clothing store. I'm going to try to see if I can get 2 tops there. Honestly, right now, if it's just a t-shirt, I'll take it because shopping, I hate shopping like shopping in store. I prefer shopping online. It's so much more easy to just buy what you want, but it takes long to get here, so that's the thing. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go to the next destination. Sorry. I'm gonna go to the next destination and I'll see you when I get there. So guys, I'm at Brick Brand now. I just hope I find something. I'm tired. What do I do? Afternoon.
Spray your hand here?
Oh, no problem.
Sorry. That's it. I could have first one.
Alright, no problem. Okay, I think I see a green top that I like.
Well,
Wow.
wake up the worm them. To wake up the worm them.
You don't have this in green? I want a green like this, but I want to kind of look. I would prefer if it was in this.
Like this style?
Yeah.
You don't like this green?
No, it's a bright green I want. Don't tell me say no more bright green are there.
Not right, good for. This one.
Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I like it. I'm doing a vlog here for my YouTube. You mind if I show your face?
Yeah, no mind.
Alright, I will just cut out.
Please.
Alright, I can pause.
Like somebody from Instagram screenshot.
Oh, good.
Alright, then you
The
see
blue
what
is the color perfect, but the price, bro, so much feet. You don't have nothing else in the blue.
You like the blue here?
No,
Too bright?
yeah, more like a sky blue.
You want to go back to the front? So what acting? I'll come back one next time, yeah?
Alright. No, that's a greenish. I need something there, detect.
You don't like those ones?
It's kind of too greenish. I can't get no discount on the other one. Okay guys, so I got what I wanted at Brick Brand. Thank the Lord. I got a green top and a blue top. The green one cheap, like $750. The blue one though is like 2,500, and it don't look like it worth it to me. It's like some Chinese elastic material thing, so definitely not worth it. But in the interest of time, I just took it. Right now I'm gonna go to the last place I need to go to, which is another hair store. Hopefully they have the perm rods, and and some hair accessories. Basically I need accessories for an updo. I'm going to be doing an updo, so I need something to kind of jazz it up, you know, make it look nice. Although I honestly don't have anything in mind in terms of, I have something in mind in terms of the style, but in terms of accessorizing it, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna go there and see what they have. I might buy like some other hair jewelry to kind of jazz up some of the other hairstyles, because yeah. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna go to the next place now and we'll see. I'll go boss man. Okay guys, so this place I'm going to right now is on Tropical Plaza, and I just pray that they have some nice hair accessories, because I don't know where else to go if they don't have it. There's another place at Springs Plaza across the road where I should be able to get permads, but I'm not 100% sure if, yeah, I should be able to get permads there, but I don't think they would have the hair accessories. This place has like beads and stuff like that, so they should have hair accessories. You know, I just want like one of those nice clips or something like that, because it's an updo, so you know, it's kind of like a wedding vibe or a formal event vibe kind of look that I'm going for. So yeah, we reach. I got through at the accessories store. I got some cute accessories. I just got one. Let me show you. No, you know what? Follow me on Instagram and you will see the videos, and you will see the accessories and stuff that I'm using in my hair. So yeah, if y'all wanna see, follow me. But I got some cute accessories for the updo style that I'm gonna be doing, and I got some earrings to match the tops that I got. So yeah, everything's gonna be nice and cute. But after I left that store, actually I wasn't allowed to vlog in there. The lady thought I was taking pictures, and she was like, you're not allowed to take pictures. So yeah, if I can't take pictures, I definitely can't vlog. But I got the accessories there, and then they didn't have the perm rods that I wanted, and I went to another store across the road, Cherries. They didn't have it either. So what I'm gonna do is go home and look at what I have, combined with what I was able to get at the first store, and if that's enough, then if it's not enough, then I have like 2 other stores in mind that I would have to go to get, and hopefully they have. I hope I have enough already and I don't need to go anywhere else, because I can't bother. I was thinking about just using flexi rods instead, but the video said perm rods, and I don't want to kind of stray too much. So yeah guys, all in all, this has been a productive afternoon. The only thing I didn't really get was enough of the perm rods, but I got everything else that I set out to get. Tomorrow is gonna be a really tomorrow into tomorrow night into Saturday, Sunday, super hectic. I don't even want to think about it, you guys. But yeah, it is what it is. You just gotta do what you gotta do, because this is life and this is the hustle. And you know, when you're trying to make a little money, you just have to push out and go hard and done. Yeah, so this is where I'm gonna end this video, you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Marsha's Journey. Give this video a thumbs up, because it really helps other people to see my videos. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Giving the video a thumbs up helps. It also helps to comment if there was anything that you wanted to comment on. Sometimes I know, like, if I'm watching videos YouTube on the TV, I don't really comment, but commenting and giving the video a like really helps the video to go further. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my channel as yet, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.